What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best portable air conditioners in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices, like the video comment. And don't forget to subscribe. A portable air conditioner makes it easy to cool down each room inside of your home. So long as you can create a connection between this appliance and outdoor air, you've got it made. Simply wheel the portable AC where you need it most. Next, attach the hose and window bracket kit that comes with it to blend interior and exterior air. Plug in the unit, turn it on, and start enjoying a cool and dry living area. Even better, you don't even need a second person to help you install a portable air conditioner, like you often do with window units. In our testing, we found it takes just about 10 minutes to go from unboxing one to cooling a space. Below is a quick list of some of the best portable air conditioners. Scroll down to read buying advice followed by more in-depth reviews. TopHomeGuide.com. Search Top Home Guide before choose your product. Now let's get started. Number 1. Black Plus Decker Portable Air Conditioner. This floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square foot. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Our 4000 BTUs, 8000 BTUs ASHRAE, compact air conditioner, 16.5 by 11.5 by 26 in, will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. The simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with 24-hour timer allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back. Combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Bucket-less, self-evaporating operation makes your living space cool, clean and dry. Cools a room approximately 15 inches by 20 inches. Reasons to buy: 3-in-1, air conditioner, dehumidifier and fan. Good cooling performance during our tests. Slide-out washable filter. Reasons to avoid: lengthy setup and install process. Number 2. Winter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. 14,000 BTUs, ASHRAE/9500 BTUs, SACC, cooling capacity. Intake/exhaust hoses. Based on the version of the portable air conditioner you have, you may need a 5.0 inches or 5.9 inches diameter hoses and/or connectors listed below. Please make sure to measure your existing hoses before ordering additional accessories. Dual hose operation cools up to a 500 square feet space. Ambient temperature and humidity may influence optimum performance. Dehumidifying capacity: 71 pints per day. Airflow at high speed: 430 cubic meters/h/253 cfm. 3 fan speeds. 3 operational modes: air conditioner, dehumidifier or fan. Cooling capacity: 14,000 BTUs, ASHRAE 128 standard/9500 BTUs, DOE Plus 2017 standard. Maximum power consumption: 1300 W/11.6a. Eco-friendly CFC-free green R32 refrigerant, extendable exhaust hose, up to 60 inches, window kit dimension, 6.5 inches width by 20 inches length, minimum, 46 inches, maximum, unit dimensions, 19 inches width by 16 inches dx 35.5 inches height. Noise reflecting off hard surfaces such as a floor or wall can make the sounds seem louder than they actually are. Reasons to buy: very effective dehumidifier. Energy efficient. Has 2 filters. Reasons to avoid: expensive. Loud. Number 3. DeLonghi WH 14,000 BTUs Portable Air Conditioner. Powerful cooling for extra-large rooms up to 700 square feet. UVC technology protects against viruses while cooling 99.5% effective against H1N1, 99.9% against cough 229E, 99.9% effective against H3N2 and 99.9% against infectious bronchitis. 50% noise reduction in max speed cooling mode. Specially engineered structure reduces noise level to an ambient background sound. Compared to previous EX2 series test conditions, 3M3 test chamber, after 2 hours cooling mode, low speed. The washable filter screens impurities from entering the unit and is simple and easy to clean under the faucet. Programmable timer and motorized airflow. Set the timer to turn on or off to meet your desired schedule and save energy. Motorized louver ensures even cooling throughout the room. Easy to set up and move from room to room. Highly portable and easy to install, this unit can help save energy by cooling only the room you're in. Cooling that protects your family. Personalized cooling comfort. Choose between your ideal comfort settings throughout the day with 3-in-1 functions, directional airflow capabilities, and intuitive controls. Reasons to buy: extra temp and humidity sensors. Excels at cooling large rooms. A multitude of features. Reasons to avoid: weighs in at 83.3 pounds. Number 4. Evapolar EvaChill Portable Air Conditioner. 3-in-1, Evapolar cools, humidifies the air, and as a bonus works as a night light for your comfort sleep. You don't need more to have several devices like air conditioner and humidifier. 100% safe for breathing. Evabreeze, the new evaporative material that we use, carries no organic materials so it doesn't rot, no toxic. Freon-like liquids and uses fully biodegradable evaporative pads. Cools the area in front of the device, 21 square foot, approximately the size of a desk, couch or bed. And intuitive and easy to understand user control pad. Enlarged water tank increasing the working time up to 8 hours. Reasons to buy: lightweight and portable. 4 different fan speeds. Environmentally friendly. Quiet enough to put in a child's room to help with sleep. Reasons to avoid: more expensive than other models. Only cools the air directly around the device. The drier the air, the more water needed. Number 5. Serene Life SLPAC 8 Portable Air Conditioner. The Serene Life Portable Air Conditioner system features a lightweight, handy, sleek body design intended to be used in the bedroom, living room or garage at home or office. It features rolling wheels for easy portability. The compact floor AC indoor cooler conditioning unit features a simple electric plug-in operation and has 3 modes: cooling, dehumidifier and fan. Also features automatic swing mode with moving wind vent for maximum air circulation. Features a digital touch button control panel which includes the power, mode, timer, temperature and fan speed settings. Other functions such as unit selector, degrees Celsius per degree Fahrenheit, sleep key can be adjusted using the included remote control. With 900 watts rated power and 8000 BTUs, ASHRAE/4000 BTUs, SACC, cooling power, the cold air can cover a room of up to 215 plus square ft. Airflow is rated at 290 m3 per hour. Moisture removal/dehumidifier at 1.2 liters per hour. With an operating noise level of only 55 to 57 decibels. Reasons to buy: features a lightweight handy sleek body design that offers convenience. Comes with rolling wheels for easy portability. Reasons to avoid: ventilation hose may heat up. You wanted the best. You got it. Thanks for watching. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time. See you guys later.